And this is the 6.5 quarts Instant Pot. And yes, it is big, but it does the job in an even bigger way. But first, let me tell you a few safety features that this pot has. This is a release valve. This is the press to release valve. The manual one, this would be the automatic, that it actually blocks and releases as well. This is another valve that is emergency in that situation, depending on what you're cooking. There are times that different ingredients can increase the temperature or the pressure beyond limits, and this pot will avoid the old times explosions that used to happen with the older pots. This one avoids that entirely with the technology that they packed inside. The body is made by this beautiful, but not a lot of it, plastic, very high quality durable plastic, and the rest of the body is this nicely done, finished, high quality stainless steel, really durable. To this at this moment it is locked. When you put this pot or the lid to this position, you can lift it with the pot itself, but to unlock it after the pressure is gone, of course, when the food is done on the screen, you press this, let the air go. When the air is gone, you'll hear like a click. This thing goes down, then you open it. Otherwise, it will not let you open it. That's another safety feature it has. It will block itself from opening when it knows that there's still pressure inside. So depressurize it first. Then when you take the lid, first of all, here are the mechanisms that I just explained to you. And this would be one of the gaskets that it has. Yes, it is removable if you want to wash it. This one, I chose to get this color, by the way. They have other variations as well. This is what blocks the door from opening when there's pressure inside. As I told you, the red one here, as you see, when it goes down, then it knows there's no pressure and it lets it go. But if this goes up from pressure, as you see here, now it's up, this does not go back. So it doesn't let you, by accident, just open the lid. So that is a beautiful safety feature. Inside, we have the 6.5 quarts container or pot that has the nice measures right here. As you see, half, 2/3, and then, of course, full. But you should always stop at PC Max right here. Would be suggested. All over, as you see, it has the double-layered bottom pan part that allows it to be heated by the heat element here on the bottom. This is the push button. So the Instant Pot detects when you take off the pot, this pin goes up and it turns off the heater. So the heater doesn't keep going on to burn energy and to possibly cause damage. So only when this is put down, you can then start, either you can start cooking. Then yes, it has a few options that I'm going to show you really quick after I plug it in, so we don't dry it for too long because I don't have any liquids inside. And as you see right now is in the off position, but we can put it in a different position. Let me show you really quick. And right now, for example, you have the saute. If you click saute, I have it for 30 minutes. You can cook without the top because you are sauteing either potatoes or meat or veggies on the bottom until you are ready to put the rest. As you see, there's a fire symbol right there. That signifies that the pot is on right now. I'm going to turn it off because I don't have any liquids. Slow cook, poultry, bean chili, meat stew, soup broth, rice, multigrain, porridge, steam, yogurt, and just regular pressure cook, which you click this one and you put the timer as much as you need and the pressure level low or high as you need it. And if you are wanting something to start cooking later, for example, you can do a delay start. You hit the timer and it will start cooking only at the time you give it right here. And this one, keep warm after food has been cooked. It has a timer that you can set to how many hours. Right now, as you see, is on 27 hours. So, for example, let's say I have a soup left over there and I don't want it to go bad. The Instant Pot will go in intervals to keep it warm and keep it from going bad. This is absolutely beautiful feature. I'm going to turn it off real quick. And besides that, the rest is just you using it the best way you can possible. As for me, I highly suggest this device to be in your kitchen. It will make your life so much easier, and until you get one, you actually do not realize how valuable this thing actually is. And I'm not making a joke about it. This is real good in your kitchen. If a soup, for example, in a conventional oven would take you, let's say, an hour and a half, let's say with meats and all that, because always meat takes longer than anything else. In this one, you can do it for 45 minutes. Now imagine, and it keeps all the moisture inside, so you don't lose any of the good moisture that the soup needs. And the chances of you making it stick on the bottom are next to zero, because when this Instant Pot detects that something is sticking on the bottom, will actually say on the screen, burnt food. Yes, it is actually that good. It will say burnt food, then you have to release the pressure and check if it's actually burning or something. Maybe you need to add more water to those chilies you're cooking. As you see, it is actually quite a smart and a well-built cooking pot. With that said, I highly suggest you give it a shot.